Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable Skype to run automatically at a startup in Windows 10. It's very easy technique and it's also an important issue, so don't forget to watch full video. Basically, Skype run in background at a startup by default. You may have stopped Skype run in background by default earlier. Now you want Skype to run automatically by default. So how to do it? Okay, right click on Start menu, click on Run. Now type shell clone startup. Look, shell clone startup. Now click OK. This is the location where you can run any app at startup time. Okay. Now click on Start menu. From recently used app bar, you can choose a Skype application icon, or you can go to all programs list. You will find a Skype in all program list also. You can select a Skype from anywhere of the both location. Now you just need to drag Skype icon from program list and drop it into a startup folder. That's all. Now restart your computer. Look, Skype has opened automatically after restarting the computer. Okay, this is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep in touch for next tutorial. Thank you very much.